In this video, I will show you how to convert PDF to Word. This should be a quick and easy process, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got this PDF file opened up. Now, to convert this to Word, there's actually something you can use, which is by Adobe, and it's called Adobe Express. So what you need to do is come across to the Adobe Express website, which is express.adobe.com. Then what you can do is go ahead and create an account, which is completely free to sign up, and there's no cost to actually convert your PDF to a Word document. If you've already got an account, of course, you can go ahead and sign in, absolutely fine. So once you've created your account or signed in, what it's going to do, if you've signed up for a new account, it's going to take you through some questions first of all. You don't have to do this. You can just come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the cross, and what that's going to do is take you to the main Adobe Express screen. Now, from here, to convert your PDF to a Word document, what you want to do is come up to the top, and you can see we've got some different options like social media, video, and photo. What you want to do is click onto Document. That's going to take you to a screen like this, and if you look towards the bottom, you can see there's an option to convert to PDF, and there's also one here to convert from PDF. So what you want to do is select the option to convert from PDF, and then what you can do is drag and drop your file here, or alternatively, just click onto the window, and it's going to bring up your File Explorer. Then what you can do is locate the file that you want to convert. So that's going to be this one here. This is our Chrome PDF document. Once you've found that, go ahead and click open, and that's going to start opening up the document. Then all you need to do is come to the right of this screen. You can see it says convert your PDF. All you want to do is click onto this drop down box and change it to your Word document. So if you're using Microsoft Word 97 to 2003, you would use this file type here. But if it's a more recent version of Microsoft Word, select the docx file type. Once you've done that, click the blue download button. What that's going to do is get everything ready, export your file, and then convert from a PDF, and finally download it onto your PC or laptop. So here we are. As you can see, it's just popped up in the corner now. It's finished downloading. And if I actually go ahead and give that a click, what this is going to do is open that original PDF file in a Word document. So you can see this is the exact same file, but it's now in a .doc format. As mentioned, to do this, it's completely free. You don't need to pay anything at all to use this feature of Adobe Express. So just head on over to express.adobe.com, create your account, and you'll be able to convert from a PDF to a Word document. So that is how to convert PDF to Word. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.